Okay, I actually got this problem from your Genius Worksheet 1. I noticed that you actually got it correct, but then I find that your multiples, if you were to tackle this problem using this method, you will spend a long time because you start at 8 and start at 12. So now I'm actually going to teach you another method because you know that during examination, it's very important that you can save time for each of your problems. Okay? Julia could pack orange she had equally into boxes of 8. So first option. She can either pack in boxes of 8 or boxes. Second option is boxes of 12. Okay, with 6 remaining. That means add more 6 orange. Add 6 oranges. So if she choose option number 1, she will have, this will be the total. Okay, if you choose option number 2, this will be total. But then you don't know how many oranges are there in total, right? But you just know that if she had less than 175 oranges, but more than 150, so the orange that she's going to pack inside the boxes is, I draw a box here. This is the remaining 6. Okay, so if those oranges that she's going to pack inside all the boxes is ranged between 150 to 175. Okay, you know very clearly that if you do multiple of 8 and multiple of 12, the two of them, if the same number, then that must be the number that they have. Yes, you're right. But then do I actually have to start at 8, then 8, 16, blah, 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 until I get it? No, I see if I do multiple of 12. What I usually do a tips is, I do 12 times 12, 144. Another thing is order 8, right? 8 times 8, 64. So these two number, I see, each one is closer to the minimum number here. It's 144, right? So what I do, I will start with assuming that it's 144, I start 144. So if I do a times 8 table, right? So this is plus 8. Okay? Number is 144. I start with 144. Sorry, number I start with 144. So 144 plus 8. Let me do some 144 plus 8. Because every time I need the plus 8. Multiple of 8, right? 1, 5, 2 plus 8. 160 plus 8. 168 plus 8. 176. Okay, I stop at this moment for a while. Okay, I start at 144. So over here, 144. This 144 plus 8, 144 plus 12. Because multiple of 12 is plus 12, every time plus 12, right? So what I do now, 144 plus 12 is 156. Plus 12 again, I get 168 already. Can you see? These two numbers is the same. So inside this box here, I know that I have 168. Okay? How many boxes will she need if she were to pack it into boxes of 6? So my total number of orange is equals to how many? I must add back this 6 orange, right? So my total number of orange (168) plus 6, I will have 174. So if I were to pack this into boxes of 6, right? Divide 6 equals to, I will have 29 boxes. Any remaining? No, there won't be any remaining. Okay? Question 5. We can have to tackle this problem systematically. So how are we going to make the different ways to include the above list above so that they can be put into two teams of 3 players. So every time we can only move one person out of the team. For this question, right, we can either concentrate on the first team, moving one person out of the first team, or we can concentrate on second team, moving one person out of the team to the first team. So to make things more easy, I'll concentrate on the first team. You should know that the different type of methods is the same. Okay. So my first combination here, right, for the first thing given from the example is actually 1, 2, 3. Correct? It's the first combination. Second, I move only one person out. So I want to move Tylee out. So I move Tylee out. Okay. So I've actually finished moving Tylee out. Now I move Bala out. So this same. Okay. So this is I've finished moving Bala out. Now I'm going to move. Oh, okay. Give me a minute. I think someone called me. Hi, I'm back. Okay. So I have actually moved Bala out already. Now I have to move Annie. Okay. So my 8 combination. This one I have to move it out. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. So the 9 is 1, 2, 3. And the 10 is 1, 2, 3. So there will be 10 different ways of making the combination. Remember, every time that one combination, you must keep 2 team member in the team. You can only move one out. Okay? You understand? So if by drawing this table, it makes it more easy for you. We just need to concentrate on one team. Even if you concentrate on team 2, you do it the same. It's still 10 different ways.